Electro from Wisdom Industry Company Limited. Today's video is about our electric scooters. As you can see, the scooter here today is Xiaomi style, and this model is very light. You can see it's easy, portable, and folding. Later I will show you. First, let's check the dimensions on the full scooter. How about the length? Let me check it. The length here is 108 centimeters, and the ground clearance here is 9 centimeter, and the height on the step deck is 15. It's nearly 15. It's 14.5 centimeters, and here the front handlebar, the height is 111 actually, 111. So this is really the size for adult, and the handlebar size here is 42.5 centimeters, and we have on the scooter we have a 250 brushless electric motor, and the battery we have here is 36 volt, available on 4 ampere hour, 6 ampere hour, and the max we can make 8 ampere hour on the portable scooter. So let me show you how to fold this model. The folding is very easy. Here we have a lock here, and just push. Okay, and like this. And here we have a hook. We have a hook here. Just press it. Okay. So loading is very easy. It's very light, and some key parts, like we use the carbon fiberglass material, so it's very light. And opens also very easy. We just push button here, like this, and lock. That's it. It's about the folding and open, so it's very fast. So we can take upstairs and put our car trunk. Let me show you the operation on the scooter. The operation on the scooter is also very simple. As you can see, the operation, the panel here is very scientific, looks like. Here is a key power switch, the main power switch here, just a long press. Okay, power on, and we have a power display here, power level display here. And on the left side we have one handlebar, one brake handlebar here, and the brake we have here is disc brake, rear disc brake. And here is the brake light here. Okay, here's the side reflecting materials, and here is the kickstand, and the charging hole is here. Here's the charging hole. And also we have side reflectors on the front view, and it is the wheel is the motor is in the front wheel, hub motor driving in the front. Okay. So the power is turning on, and here we have the bear and the throttle here on the right hand. It's not going because it's non-zero starting, so we need to push and going. We need to have a push and a going, just like this. Okay. The scooter here mainly available on 2 colors. One is full black, and another one is wide deck with front and rear wide fenders. Okay. go. The features on this model, I think, is about the design, the compact design. So for more information about this model and about the price, please just email us. Please keep visiting our company website, forscooter.com, for the latest product information. And you also subscribe on our company Facebook page on the scooter. The Facebook page site is www.facebook.com/byscooter. Thank you. Okay, and now fold it. Just like this, very easy. And here, okay, very light. And put it in the trunk. Very easy, very light. Okay.